channel. Today we will use Dash to push things around using his bulldozer bar. So a bulldozer bar is his accessory they use to push things. So today we will go around the house and try to push some things and then program him in some apps to push some other things. Are you ready to start this video? Let's go! So as you can see, this is our Dash. So Dash is a robot that can move right now. So first we're going to turn it on. See? So this is Dash. Ta-da! See, when you go, you can use this on an iPad or a tablet. So when you go, you'll turn on your iPad. You can see our postcode. Then you will open the app Go. So here's our Go app. Then when you go, you'll click on here, searching for robots. It will come Dash. So first we're going to disconnect it because you need to refresh. And then we're going to click on Dash. See, now loaded. So as you can see, this is our Go. So our first accessory is going to be the bulldozer bar. But before we start, let's get a little warmer about the whole app. So let me just show you around. So in the app, you will see like those remote, and then you might be saying, what are these remotes? Let me tell you. So this one is used to move forward. So when you click on this, you can move forward very fast. And you can adjust the speed. So if you want him to go very slow, he goes much slower. But if you want him to go very fast, he goes very fast. So we can go and adjust the speed. But for me, I would like to go a little medium. We don't want him zooming all around everywhere. Then this is the eye color. Let's get this on here back because we need him. That's coming up again. So as you can see, this is the eye color section. So when you click here, there's two buttons. Click the eye color. Then here is Dash's eye. So since this is his eye, you can click where, like if you want it to be more brighter or more darker. So we're gonna make it to have like some dark pattern. So let's just make a pattern, a pretty nice pattern there. So this is our pattern. Now his pattern. So see ya. Ta-da! But we just gonna leave all his lights on because this is the way how it is. Then when you look here on the other side, you might see this. This can turn his head around. Okay, he turns his head very fast. Up, then. See? Turn around his head. Then these sounds that you can record are like this. Okay, that's loud. And then, so there's different songs that you can try, but it will not show all of them. For you, it's a surprise. You'll find that on your own. Then you can record stuff. So when we can go to the recording section, and record. Hello, my name is Mr. Dash. Nice to meet you. Hello, my name is Mr. Dash. Nice to meet you. Then check it out. And then as you can see, it's uploading our sound. So we can wait for a little while. Hello, my name is Mr. Dash. Nice to meet you. So now, when you go around, you can make noises like this. Hello, my name is Mr. Dash. Nice to meet you. So that's how you can do it. And there's also emotions. Da-da-da. So here is our emotions. And then there's this. And then there's this. And the last but not least, the color. So you can make things, like if you want the color for you, look, as you can see, it's starting to glow. Like it's here, first it's flashing, and here's flashing. So you can adjust the way how you want. So if you want to be like wavy, it will come like this, and this, as you can see in his style. But then there's this, none. We like color. You will never use them. Then there's this, full light. And then there's repeating the pattern again, and it will continue the same thing. Then as you can see, so what you want for dash is here. So we want like a greenness, it will come green. But we like a kind of cyan color, so we'll leave cyanus. Then his tag, where should we put it? I like it kind of yellow maybe. So let me show you the tag. See, you can adjust it any color you want. So we will put a, oh, orange is nice. I want orange. Not red, but orange. How do you put that? There. So now you can see he's orange. So now you can move him around. And also, here is something very entertaining we're gonna do. We're going to show a reaction video to your dash. So let's see what Dash likes about it. So we're going to go to our story for Dash. He's laughing really nice. Bye-bye. Then let's go. Let's go! See, you get very excited. So that's pretty much about the go up. So then you can go around and explore more about it. So our first thing we're gonna use is So we're gonna use the bulldozer pump. So this is Mr. Dash's bulldozer pump, and he's used to push things around. So I say, oh no, there's a big pile of mess. No problem, Super Dash to the rescue. He can clean up everything, and he can push things also around. So today we're going to also use some obstacles, and we're going to also use different apps. So first we're gonna use Go. So we're gonna put some launchables around the room, like an obstacle course for that, and we're gonna control him to clean it up. So let's see if Dash can clean up all the balls. Let's back him up a little. Ready, steady, go. Ball number 1, clean that up. And back up. I'm gonna make him slow. This is easy to control. And ball number 2, cleaning up. Okay. Ball number 3, clean up. Thank you, Dash. And that's how we do it. Okay, let's just clean the last ball. Ball, we will let you to come to us. Because the ball is very valuable. Some like speed and some other stuff. So we're gonna have some fun, and I want you to see how many things, and I will also explain some of the sounds, but not all. You have to figure out for yourself. Remember, I'm not confused. So now, okay, yeah. That's the elephant noise. There's 2 more noises that I cannot say. Huh? What? Are you sure? Okay, I will tell you one last one, but the last one I will never say. That's the cow noise. And other than that, I'm not telling you. So there's other things like this. And there's some other sounds that you can test out. So you can also have fun with Go so many times. So now let's move on to our next app, Wonder. So the interesting thing about Wonder is that you have so many features. So I want to show you the Wonder app. So when you go on your lovely iPad, then you will go to the Wonder app. It looks like this. Click on Wonder. Wonder. Then play. Then there will be so many things and so many features. So you can also click on this. There's so many sounds. So you just say hi. That's nice. So first there will be so many things. a controller, this, inventors now. If you click on this, they give you some other things that you can create. But for now, we're going to use the scroll quest. We will do some of them, but not all. So hello world. You say, welcome. We will play with robots to make them smarter. Make those automatically say hi. Then you'll drag here. See, they're telling you the instruction. So it's like a startup to guide you. So I'll guess there's some, but not all. See, we're going now. See? See, he's happy. We completed it. Good job, Dash. Whoa. He's dancing. Hey! Okay, you dance too much, Dash. I'll put you here. Okay, continue. Next one is celebrations. Wow, Das is super excited to meet you. Thanks, Das. Let's help Das celebrate. Okay, I don't know what he celebrates. Make Das celebrate. So, celebrations. Wow. Yeah. Okay, thanks, Das. Yippee. Yeah. Okay, Das is so fun. So we'll put both. I want both. So first we're going to do the first one. Move forward. And then I want to do, so first we use this one. We're going to use, oh, you can't do it. You just give me one. I wanted to do two. It's fine. Yeah. Oh, you're fine. Okay, continue quest. Next, go watch. Das is a wheeled robot that likes to move. Cool. I never knew. Let's help Das to get ready to go. Okay. Make Das automatically play a brave sound. Classic. Move the braveness. Wow! There is so many options. Just to let you know, fun fact. When you get right away, click on it, then they will give you tons of options. Then you can scroll down and choose the one you like. And then when you're done, click check. So first we're gonna choose one. Sure, there's so many. Let's see which one is do we like. This is the Here I come. Here's another one. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, that's fast. Let's go. No fear. Oh. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, I won't tell you all. So let's choose one. So let's do this one. We can do it. Yes, that's we can do it. And then we can do it. All right. The next step. Wow! And then they say you can make after the sound make that automatically take off. Ready? Let's do this. Take off. Da da. Wow. Yay! 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 That. Come. Yeah. So now we're going to make that move all around because it's take off. But for now, I think we should get started. I feel like you should do the rest for your own. I don't want to spoil it for you. So we're going to go to our main log. So as you can see, there's tons of things. There's the coding, inventor log. So first I think we should go to controller. Let's like go, but it has so many options. But I can't show you all. We're going to do that for another video. So stay tuned up. So for that, you have some things that we have to do. So here, you can see, this is a dash, right? He's our friend. You can change the color of his ears and tongue. So we're just gonna move around so far, and then we will start coding. This will be fun. So yeah, let's just move around. Wanna try?
Yes.
Don't get too much. Okay. Back up.
No way.
Yes way.
No way.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay, that's disgusting. Now,
Here I come.
there's some different sounds here.
Let's do it.
Wait. Okay, he is so fast. Okay, back. Let's entering the zone.
Toodles.
So I think we already went around a lot. So now I think we're going to go coding some fun. So we already prepared some.
Aww.
So we're going to have some fun on it. So we already did some coding, as you can see. We prepared some. So I want to just go, and then we will show you how to go. So this is a sample. So we're going to just follow the steps. So it started. So step number 1, press desktop button. Can you press the desktop button? It's the big white button.
Oh.
Okay, hit it. Yep, hit the center. And then you click button 1. So here, there's button 1, 2, 3. So someone's gonna. Oh my God, he sensed it. Button 1, play with me. His ears turn orange. Cool. I don't just do that. Ooh! He barked. Disgusting. Next, 3. Click button 3.
Okay, we'll see about that. We'll see.
Mm-hmm. 3 and there. Oh. And that's the end. So now we can go to another one. This one is a bit more fun, so just follow along. So first I'm gonna press button 1, then press button 2, then press button 3. Now you press the step. He did it dinosaur. I think it's time to move. He's dancing. Now he listens. Whatever you say, he turn on. What? Hello, hello. Behind you, behind you, behind you.
Hello.
Behind. Okay. Behind. 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 Behind you. Behind you. You have to change it direct. Behind you. Behind. Behind.
Left. Left. Left.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay. So now
Hey.
we're going to do another
Go.
one.
Hey.
So here's the
Stop.
last one.
Hey.
Then this is when we're going to start coding. So let me show you how to code. So when you go to the Windows app, you'll see this. Click free play. This will give you your coding things. Then say create new. Then this is where you can start the colors of stuff. So there's light. So first we want white light. What do you want to put? Can you put? What do you want? Then red. Okay. Then orange. Then yellow. Then green. Then cyan. Then blue. You only want lights. And always you want lights. You want no. When you want to repeat it, you will use a transition. This is a loop. We'll loop it. So you want like this pattern, then you'll do this, and then this, and then this, and then this, and then this. Okay, then keep on connecting. Then connect. Now take this and put start. Yeah, so when you do it, it repeats a loop. So now look, play. Okay. Wait. What happened to that? Play. I can't play. No, now we're going to make the loop. So you put it here. It's hold it. And then you can do it there, so I know you can. There we go. And repeat it. So now, I bring you look at his ears. Okay, this is very nice. Look, and you can see the code. I'll show you. It will repeat. See? And voila. Master art. So now,
Master art.
we're going to go and make him to move. So here, we're going to make him move. So at the bottom, there will be light and some other options. If you want sound, sound. Ta-da! If you want animation, we give animation. So I think we should add some light at first, then animation, and then we'll see how it comes. So first, when you put a light, which light do you want? Let's go, sir. Light. No, you can't remove that. Yeah, you want orange, then yellow. Only put trees enough. And then one more. So we're going to put one this way. No! This time we're not. Sometimes if you see, oh no, we made a mistake, you hold this, then delete it, then you can undo what you did. So hold this, delete. See, it stopped the loop. Now put here. Ta-da! So here, when you click on this, they'll give you some options. So first, what you do, give you some different options. So here, like, here, move forward. This will go to the next stage when moving forward. Oh, like this. Voice heard. This will go to the next stage when a voice is heard. So when you see something, he will do it. So we will put the first one. Okay. So now we can start with 2D code. So we code everything. Now let's begin. So first, look at this. So that is how you code. See? So now we're going to make him to move so much so he cannot get tired. So first move. So this move. And then so those are the moving basic. You want to try? Yes. Okay. Try. It's going very slow. So we're going to use that. You want slow? Make it faster. Let's go fast. But yeah, it's gonna be stuck. So check. So now which move do you want? There's tons of moving, so which one do you want? You can move by the head tilt, then you can move leg up, so cat. So now he's going to move a lot, and then we're gonna repeat this forever. So let's bring that here, so he's gonna move along. Where's this moving? I think we should now add some sound to make things dance. So now we're going to play Follow the Pattern. So as you can see, my brother is here. So this is going to be chasing my brother. So my brother has to run here in this area. So if he gets caught, he'll lose. So if he does not get caught, he wins. So ready, steady, careful. We start with the case, yeah. Run. I'll increase difficulty. This is the slow difficulty. Okay? So I'm just gonna give you slowness. I think I should increase difficulty. Okay, now you went faster. He's going fast. Hey, you gotta go. He was close. He was close. You ran. Run, let him catch you. Okay. Now pull. Okay, that's good. Fast. Oh! You nearly lost me. Wow. Oh, way faster. Hey, he's coming for you. He's coming for you. He's coming. Hey, it's gonna come. Okay, stop. One. Okay. Let's get ya. So the game can end in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the bill won. Good job. So my brother won, yay! Yeah. So my brother won this one. So Dash was not able to catch up with my brother. Good job. High five. So this will wrap up this episode. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give us a like. Bye. Kia.